I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you've got some yard work to do, you're gonna need some tools. These tools from BLACK+DECKER will help you get the job done.
The blower is more like a sweeper. It's super lightweight. It weighs less than 4 pounds. It's really easy to operate. You just press a button, and here we're using it to just sweep the leaves off of our little walkway in front of our house, and you can see it does a really good job. And we love that it's cordless and battery operated because you can use it anywhere around your house without having to worry about a cord extension. We also used it to blow some leaves outside, and it really exceeded our expectations because it did a great job at moving these smaller leaves, and we were able to make a pile and clean up our backyard nicely. The string trimmer is also really easy to use and battery operated. You just press down on that button and it'll start. It's a single string trimmer, but it still does an amazing job at cutting the grass around the trees very nice and tightly. It really leaves a clean look for when you're done cutting the grass, and it's also really lightweight. It only weighs 4.5 pounds, so you don't get tired quickly.
So if you're in the market for a leaf blower and a trim hedger, you're definitely going to want to check these out from BLACK+DECKER. They're going to help you get the job done, and that's my point of view.